Systemic lupus erythematosus, or SLE, is the most common type of lupus. Systemic lupus erythematosus is an autoimmune disease in which the immune system attacks its own tissues, causing widespread inflammation and tissue damage in the affected organs. It can affect the joints, skin, brain, lungs, kidneys, and blood vessels. Patients with SLE were severely affected by COVID, causing serious complications. Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Mr. Zaman, and today I'm going to discuss about if COVID-19 booster dose is beneficial or not in lupus patients. People with systemic lupus erythematosus, or SLE, who received a booster dose of SARS-CoV-2 vaccine after full vaccination are roughly half as likely to have a subsequent breakthrough COVID-19 infection, a new study shows. The finding, researchers say, should offer reassurance to more than 2 lakh Americans who have systemic lupus erythematosus, a condition in which the body's immune system mistakenly attacks its own healthy tissues, especially joints and skin. Immune-suppressing drugs such as steroids needed to control symptoms of the disease place them at an increased risk of infections, including SARS-CoV-2. Published in the journal The Lancet Rheumatology online July 12, the study showed that at the end of the monitoring period, that is 24th April 2022, 44 vaccinated systemic lupus erythematosus patients had breakthrough infections, with 2 needing hospitalization. Among those with breakthrough infections, 28 of 125, which is around 22%, had received a booster, while 16 of 38, or 42%, had not. Researchers found that even those on immunosuppression who had not responded to the initial round of vaccination had an immediate rise in antibody levels after the administration of a booster shot. Previous research had shown that these antibody levels were lower among many initially vaccinated patients with rheumatic diseases, including systemic lupus erythematosus, who were taking immune-suppressing drugs, sparking fears of waning immunity to COVID-19 over time. However, study results showed those with higher levels of antibodies needed to block the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein and prevent the virus from infecting human cells were no more protected from breakthrough infection than those with lower spike protein antibody levels. Researchers concluded that study results offer people living with systemic lupus erythematosus clinical confirmation that vaccines are highly effective at guarding against severe COVID-19 despite their increased risk of catching the disease. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.